your girl Majesty and welcome back to my channel. And today I've got my lovely brother here to help me. We're going to do the mouth guard challenge. It's this thing right here, also called Speak Out. It's the kids versus parent, but it's going to be sibling versus sibling today. I'm pretty sure you know how it works. You know, you put the guard in your mouth, you say something off a card, go back and forth, and you've also got a timer. So that's how you know someone wins or not. Yeah, so it's kids versus parents, but I want to know why this is so big. My mouth ain't that big, so I won't be using that one today. I'll be using the kids one because my mouth ain't that big and I ain't trying to rip my lip. This actually reminds me of when I had braces. To anyone who has braces and they had to put something in your mouth like this to take a picture of your teeth, yeah, I'm with you. But yeah, I won't be putting that one in my mouth. I'll be using the kids one. So, who's going first, me or you?
Me.
Okay. So you need to put this in your mouth. Wrong way.
I don't have to even do it.
What do you look like? In? Comfortable?
Yep.
Alright, read your first card. Let me get the timer. Are you ready? Alright.
Is insects.
Say again?
Doesn't eat insects.
Germany eats insects.
No. Doesn't eat insects.
I know the last word is insects. Say it again.
Doesn't eat insects.
I keep hearing German are insects.
No.
Oh my god. Time's gonna run out anyways. What was it?
It was jumping bees are insects.
That's stupid. Jumping beans are insects. Alright, I'll go now. Okay, it's run out. Here, you have to hold this now. This is yours, isn't it? I'm putting yours in my mouth.
Are you ready?
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3.
A hers are you.
A pickles are you.
No. A hers are you. A hers for you.
Apples are apples.
No. A hers for you. I'm getting dirty. A hers.
Apples.
The her side. A her.
A hole.
No. A her.
A hole.
Hold on. A her.
A hole.
I'm dribbling and everything. This is really bad. Okay. How much time have I got left? The timer, yeah. The timer.
I don't even know.
A her for you.
Equals are you.
Is it
Okay, I give up. It's the
Oh,
turn.
gosh.
Spread out.
April Fools for you. I thought you was getting the first one, the first word, and then you just say, "Hey, who?" Okay.
I should have said penguin.
Where's the timer? That needs to go in your mouth.
I want to know what did you do.
Can you put it in now? You still need help.
Oh.
Is it in?
Ah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it hanging? Oh my gosh.
Come on now.
Look at me. Ah. In?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I didn't even know you were starting.
I
I eat him back.
No. That your. Oh my gosh.
What's up with your mouth, man?
My mouth is so little. Litter than the pig.
Is it?
No!
Oh, this is a fail. Is it in?
Yes.
Alright.
It, her, up.
Say again.
It, her, up.
It him
No.
back.
No.
Hit him back.
No. It, her, up.
I it him back.
No.
What's it say?
I bit him back.
Bit him back. Ah, okay. So far it's 0-0. Okay, you ready?
What's my time, Mom?
Oh, start. Hold on.
Come on, Mr. Sad.
Okay.
Mr. Captain.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet. Hold on. Let's give it a second. Okay, perfect now.
Yeah. Hold your legs. Oh God. Hold your legs trousers up.
All the 1,000 pigs tidy up.
No. Hold your legs trousers up.
Penguins handle up.
No. Hold your legs trousers up.
Who charges up?
No. Hold your legs trousers up.
2017. I don't understand you.
Hold your legs trousers up.
Who the pig shouted out?
What is it on your head? Oh my God. Hold your legs trousers up.
Who your pig's charges are?
No. Hold your legs trousers up.
Who are your big soldiers are?
No.
Okay, what would this?
Pull your big trousers up. You with this pig business.
I don't.
Okay, I'm going to get some tissue.
Can we play ice see again?
Can we play C again?
No. Can we play ice see again?
Can we play I see again?
Can we play ice see again?
Say again?
Can we play ice see again?
Can we play high C again?
I didn't say that. Can we play ice see again?
Say one more time.
Can we play I Spy again?
I don't know. Where is it?
Can we play I Spy again?
That didn't sound like you were saying I spy. It sounded like you're saying high seek.
But I couldn't say it properly because this is on my teeth.
That's the whole point of the game.
So, wait. I just have one more card. Wait, what?
Yeah, because you couldn't say the other one.
Well,
Was it that the card you couldn't say?
yes.
Oh, don't worry about it. Because I already saw it now.
Yeah, but how about I want to make...
You can't say it if I can hear you.
Oh, so it's the last one. You.
Yeah, okay, I'll do the last one then.
Okay,
Yeah.
make it easier for me so the people can see.
You're jokes. Okay. Are you looking? Okay, I did this one.
I can have time for this picture. Okay, you done?
Yeah, are you ready?
What's my timer?
I gave it to you.
What?
Did I not?
Oh, it's right there.
Ready?
Are you ready too?
Yeah.
Okay, embark. Get set, go.
No or crown parties with balloons.
I play donkeys again.
Huh?
I play donkeys again.
No. No more clown horses with balloons.
No more clown parties again.
No, with balloons.
Balloons.
You're nearly there. With balloons.
With balloons.
Yeah, say it. No more clown horses.
With balloons.
Say the whole thing.
No clown parties with balloons.
No
No.
more.
No. No clown parties with balloons again.
No more clown horses.
No more clown parties
With balloons.
with balloons.
Yay! You got that one. Did you see the card?
No. Oh my gosh, I didn't.
No, you got it. You got it. Okay. So that was it. Out of the whole game, he got 1 and I got 0. So I guess he won. Woo! But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you for coming back, and I'll see you in another video. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see ya. Bye!